Okay, hi friends, thanks for watching again. So just an update on the renovations. The kitchen cabinet has been completed. On the left is the area where you would have your refrigerator, and as we come along, the area on the right is of course where you put your washing machine. You notice up here that there's a bit of a bulge in this area. Now this is because we've only been able to make use of a very small bit of space. At the back of this, we have some big pipes, so it had to protrude a bit. So other than that, we're reasonably happy with what has happened so far. We've got the grills installed also. So let's take a look now at the bathroom. Bathroom fixtures have been fitted up, mirror, shelf, and a little vanity cabinet. Got the water heater fixed up, little hose spray there, as well as the towel rack. So we move into the bedroom now. We finally got the bedroom cabinet installed. The bed has arrived. Our bed is a little bit special. We've got these little drawers here that you can keep all sorts of stuff. We realized that because of the limited space, we needed to try and get furniture items which have a lot of storage. So in this case, you've got 1, 2, 3, and there's a fourth storage area on the right hand side there. So now we're in the main hall area. So far, of course, flooring has been done. The grills on the windows have been done. We've received some furniture, wooden furniture from a company called My Seat. 4 pieces, study table, little cabinet, TV console, and a small coffee table. So we tried to match up the color of the wood as much as we could. So as usual, if you have any questions or comments about the video or whatever it is, please write them in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer them. Thanks for watching. Okay friends, so here we're looking at the bedroom. The last thing we did was the curtains in the bedroom and the hall. And some furniture came in from the warehouse, and we're still in the midst of packing. So once again, thanks for watching.